Hello everyone, welcome back once again to your home decor channel, Mimi's Glam and Designs. Today I'm so happy because I'm going to be sharing with you my very first home decor haul, and I'm going to share with you all these luxury glam items that I got from different stores. So if you are interested to know the prices and that I pay half of the price that you'll pay in retail stores, keep watching for more. So the first item that I want to talk about on this haul is this beautiful and gorgeous candelabra. This candelabra, it's amazing. It was $79.99. I picked it up at Home Goods, and it's real crystals, guys. It's really heavy. It just adds a lot of charm and character to my living room as well as glam. As you guys can see, it's like diamonds are all around. It's pendants. There is a lot going on, and the best part is that it will fit different kinds of light. I already tried different kinds like tea lights and then the long candles, so I thought that was really cool. So this is from Home Goods, like I said, and it was only $79.99. It usually goes for $130, so this was a very good deal, guys. So this candle holder is from Bath and Body Works, and the price is $15.50. I got it with a coupon. You know, guys, they always have those coupons going on. $10 off when you spend $30, so you always end up getting other stuff. But I highly recommend this candle holder. Is super pretty, it's shiny and sparkly, and it's just like a screen glam all the way. I also wanted to share my review with you guys on this soap holder. It's gorgeous, glam, pretty. It adds a lot of glam to your bathroom, but the problem is that it gets frosted inside. So basically when it touches water, it becomes rust, and you're gonna have to wash it constantly in order to avoid that. So I think if they're gonna make an item that is gonna touch water, they should have made it a stainless steel, so that way people don't have to deal with it. So save yourself your money and don't spend your money on this. Just buy the candle holder, because the candle holder, there's no water involved, so therefore you'll be fine with that. I picked up this silver candle holder. Is a rose, as you guys can see, and the best part is the color. Is very functional. It's like a piece that you could move around your home due to the neutral color and as well as the shape of what it is. So I usually move it between the bedroom and different parts of the house. It's such a small item that, you know, it looks good everywhere. It goes for $8, but I got it at $3.99 in Burlington. I call these the bling photo frame. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Like, I feel like putting this on myself, like it feels like a piece of jewelry, you know what I mean? Like, I'm sure you guys can see it. The stones, they just pop so much. Screams glam all the way. I saw this in Wayfair for like $14 or more, and you can find these. I found it at Burlington for $6.99 only. So this was like, I decided to make like a mini collection of them, because I've seen a couple of them but never the same. But I thought it would be cool to like mix them. So let me know what you guys think of that. And then there's this one. This is my favorite out of all the ones that I have found so far. I found this at Home Goods for only $8.99. It usually goes for $16.99 or more. It's really heavy. The other one is kind of light. This one, like, it's a thick metal, and I love the French style. The stones is just super glam and beautiful. I'm sure this is gonna look amazing to place a family picture. That's what I'm thinking for this. But even like to put different prints inside, this will pop in your living room or anywhere that you want to put it, because it's just amazing. This blessed sign is just super pretty. I thought I had to have it right away. I love the different colors. Like when you move it, it's not only white, but it has like this shiny bling. So it's super cool to look at it from distance, and if you move it around, And I also love the price. It was only $7.99. It usually goes for $15, and I truly feel blessed, so why not have a sign that expresses my feelings around the home? I was looking for a photo frame of this color. This is the champagne color that you guys have seen around my home decor. I love this because it balances well with the silver and the gold, like I mentioned before. The thing that I love the most of this is the French style around the whole frame. It's just super glam. It's very fashion and traditional. So I thought it will add a lot of character. I was thinking to use it in my vanity, like to put a lot of frames, but I'm not sure if I'll put it there because it really looks good in the living room or anywhere, even with a print inside. Since it's 8 by 10, I thought it was a good deal for the price. This was only $12.99. It's a very big frame, and it goes for $20, and it's from Home Goods. Moving on is this adorable pom-pom throw. I mean, guys, I'm addicted to pom-pom. I love pom-poms. I use them every time I go out. I have like 12 different ones, and when I saw these, I was like, oh my goodness. I actually saw it in my mom's house. She got hers from Stain Mart, and I saw these and I'm like, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So this one was $14.99. It usually goes for $23. It's super soft. It's like this plush material, velvet feeling, and it's just amazing. Like I think it's gonna really pop in my white couch. These candle holders are the cutest thing ever. I bought a piece of furniture in El Dorado furniture, and therefore there was a promotion where they gave me $100, so I ended up investing it in these candle holders. These mirror candle holders are amazing. They just add a lot of glam to your space. They are tall, and they were only two. So then I found the third one on Amazon. They usually go for $49.99. That's the price that I got it at the store. But on Amazon, they go for, I found another one for $19.99. Then I found the discount at $13. So I got the little one for $13 to kind of like make this set. But this looks good, even only one. Like, it's just super glam. They're heavy, they're big and thick. So I highly, highly recommend this item. I love the little diamond in the middle. So it's just super glam, guys. This mirror wall clock, I mean, oh my gosh, this is like the best thing of this whole haul. It is this item. Like, I'm in love with this item. The diamonds around it, they just pop out, and the mirror accent around it just makes it so glam. Like, this piece, whatever you place it in your house, is gonna shine, guys. So I love a piece of furniture. A piece of furniture, not. I love an accent piece like this, but it was like $400 some years ago from El Dorado Furniture, and I thought it was too much money. It was over budget for me. So then I went recently, just a couple of months ago, and I saw this clock, and I was like, I'm gonna buy it. It was only $130, so I thought it was a good price. It's very, very heavy, so be aware. If you have weak walls, you make sure you don't put it there because it's really heavy. So then I saw it as well on Amazon for only $125 or $130, the same price. But if you guys are interested, I will leave the link below so you can buy yours. But this shines by itself in any wall that you place it. It's just super glam with all these diamonds around it. I also got the same pom-pom throw, but in this kind of like a blue, like a low intensity blue, I call it. This is the blue that I have in my living room. So it just goes well with the white on the couch. I picked up this pillow at Ross stores for $8.99 only. As soon as I saw it, I said I have to have it. These kind of pillows usually go for like $20, $19.99, or even up to $25. I love the sequins, and you can change the pattern on them if you get bored. The colors are rose gold and like a charcoal that turns into like a blue. So I thought it was cool, that color that you don't know what it is. So I thought it will add the luxury feeling to this couch and a lot of glam as well. Then I picked up, and finally, this pillow, throw pillow. This is a fox in white, and this is from Stay Mart. I found it for $14.99. They usually go from $20 to $35 in the online stores. This is just super soft. It feels like having a pet in your couch, but without having it. So I thought it was so cute. It makes the couch look soft, and it will add like a lot of charm and character. Once again, I'm all about that. And I love mixing and matching pillows, because I think that's the best part of the couch, how you can incorporate different kinds of prints and materials and balancing well the colors. I'm all about that, guys. So that was my last item, and let me know, guys, what you think of this haul. Which items was your favorite and why? Leave your comments below. Let me know if you also want to see a living room tour, or if you want to see how I display these items in my home. Thank you so much for watching once again. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos like this. I love you all. Thank you so much for the support. And until next time, ciao.